Hi, this is Dean from Autotech. We are here with another post-repair inspection. This customer came in to us because she was concerned after bringing her car to a big chain referral shop that they didn't perform all the necessary Subaru inspections. So she came to us knowing that we were Subaru certified, asked a few questions, we had a discussion. She decided to drop her car off. We haven't taken anything apart yet, but here's what we're seeing so far, just based on the bill that she got from the repair facility. She has a rear camera on the back that should have been calibrated. That was never done. The eyesight on the front is supposed to be calibrated after every accident. There's safety inspections of the seat belts, airbags, sensors, the steering column, the steering rack. That was never done. They put her Subaru emblem on upside down, and I guess they reused the old one and they really didn't glue it back on. Also, this is loose as well. I noticed that this piece is loose, like it's going to fall off. These gaps are bad on both sides. The customer stated when she's driving around, her door jar light's coming on and off. It's because her rear body panel is probably still pushed in, so it's holding the gate in really tight. Generally, like the normal dirt and fading and things that we would normally see, but just, again, sloppy on the outside. But the safety inspections is a key thing for Subaru drivers. You know, these cars are built a certain way for a reason, and customers feel safe in them. This was never done. A lot of this should have been done, and we're gonna dig into this a little more and see what we see. I'm here with a follow-up to this post-repair inspection we did. We disassembled the car a little bit. We found that they left a broken bracket here on her bumper. There's all kinds of fish eyes in the paint here, fish eyes in the paint there. There's a run hanging off here. And besides all the calibrations they never did, which they clearly didn't do, there's runs underneath it here. No corrosion protection inside of the brand new gate. The big thing really, and I don't know how any qualified body shop could miss this, there's literally buckles all across this rear body panel, which is a structural part of her car. So, and also this spare tire, I'm sure the lady had to hear some rattles driving around. But what really pisses me off is they just screw people when they do this. So they send this customer to their referral shop. Then the insurance company gets angry with the customer for not bringing it back to them. So the shop is willing to let the customer leave in an unsafe vehicle. This is a single mom with 2 small children. This mom is driving around in this car, no calibrations, no blind spot monitors calibrated or even checked for that matter. The rear body panel, the structure's all messed up. Then once they decide to total the car, which they totaled this car, then they undervalue her car by $4,000, and they're nickel and diming her by saying that her interior is dirty. They're taking deductions for that. They took deductions for the comparable vehicles, and they're just beating this poor lady up, and they're making her feel bad that because she took it to our shop, they're making it more difficult for her. If they would have just done the job right the first time, you know, they told her she would be in good hands if she took it there. But clearly that's not the case, because that's not what they did. And then they just play games with her the whole way through. They get caught lying and cheating. Instead of just making the lady happy and doing the right thing and making it go away, they just continue to drag her through the mud. And it just kind of makes you sick to your stomach a little bit, the way they treat people. But at the end of the day, here's another unsafe repair that we're gonna get off the road. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.